Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial to slide design and formatting. Welcome to this tutorial. In this second tutorial, we'll focus on slide design and formatting techniques to make your presentation more professional and visually appealing. You will learn how to use themes, layout, text formatting, and image effectively. What you learn in this tutorial, how to apply and customize slide layouts using themes and templates for a professional look, formatting text, images and shapes, aligning and organizing content effectively, quick design tips to enhance presentations. The first option here, we are going to choose a slide layout. We have here our slide layout. Go to Home tab, we are in Home tab and Layout. In here we have Layout. Select a suitable layout, title, slide, content with image, etc. So for example, title and content, we are going to select this layout. Customize the layout by adding or removing placeholder. If you want, it is customized. You can type here one title. For example, it is uh, second lesson. Here you can type some text for this. It's customized, or as your wish you can insert some image from online. For example, you can type here students selected, insert. It is about choosing a slide layout and customize the layout by adding or removing placeholders, applying, customizing and themes. Go to design. For example, first of all, we need to here one new slide. Insert one new slide in layout. Here we are going to select blank or it is okay. You can type here, for example, as it is about MS or Point. Type here some text for MS PowerPoint. You are going to insert default paragraphs equal LOREM, open bracket and close the brackets. Enter. We have here our paragraphs, or it is example, it is definition of PowerPoint. Right now, go to the design tab here. In design tab, select a theme from the available options. Use here you can use variants to modify colors, fonts and styles. Here we have more themes. Select one of these themes, for example this option, as your choice, or this option. You can select one of these. We have here is rated themes. We are going to select one of these, for example this option. After that, when you select the themes, here we have variants. And variants here to modify colors, fonts and styles here. For example, you can change it is the color. We are going to select this option. It is the variants, or this one. And here if this color is not okay, you're going to colors, choose here another color. After that, you're going to select here. Or fonts. In fonts, you can change here your fonts. Which fonts do you want to affect in your paragraphs? This font, or customize fonts. If you select customize, here you can select for customize these fonts and body font. We are going to select, for example, uh, this here we have a lot of body fonts. This option, save. Right now, our fonts is changed. Again, if you want to change your font, select one of these fonts or customize body font. This option, and this is the heading font related. This is the body font. After that, we have here in drop down effects. If you are going to some effects, you can choose in your this presentation effects. Background styles. For background styles, if you want, you can change one of the background styles. Format background. So we are going back to select this background variants. It is a little it is a little like is looking very good and amazing. Here we have, after that, if you want to apply for formatting text in PowerPoint, click inside the text box to start typing. For example, first of all, we need one text box. If you want to insert one text box, here we are going to in insert tab, text box. Select this text box and choose here this option. For this text box, use the font group in the home tab. Go to change. For example, right now we are going to, this is our text box. You can type here something. This is the second lesson of PowerPoint. It's our text. Right now, we are not going to select like this text. Only choose, select this, the shape of text box here, this four line. Select it. When you select it, go to home tab. We are in home tab. Right now you can change font group. For example, if you select this group with this text box both, right now we have how we can select it with control. Press control, then select the second text box. Right now we select two text box. And once time, if you go to home tab here, font style, in font style, if you select here the font style, if for example it is the font style. For the first one, if you are going to change font style, here we can change for both text box this option. It is this style. Or font size, here we can change the font size for both. 24. Or the text color, if you like, here you can change the text color. Bold, use the bold option, and here we have italic, underline. Use word art for stylish text effects. So for inserting word art, go to insert tab and word art. So how we can find here word art? It is the word art. Here you can choose one of word art for stylish text effect. This option, select one of these. For example, I want this. Right now we have our word art. You can type here, for example, your text. Our text, Control A, select all, then type your text. For example, uh, it is great. It's about word art. If you go to insert a back word art, select this option. For example, this one, it is the second text. You can select here word art. For example, Control R, type here your custom text. Thanks for watching. Windows dot to select one emoji like this. It is about word art in PowerPoint. Then here we have the another option. If you want to inserting and formatting image, go to insert, here insert tab, picture to add an image. So select pictures to an image. Here we have three options. In three options, this device or stack image online picture. This device to means C drive, V drive, F drive on your folder. If you have an image, you can select. So we have not an image here. We are going to select stack image. Type one image here if you need, for example, your airplane, or here you can type, for example, something else, like some colors. We are going to select this. For example, I like this option, this image. Insert. First select, then insert. Right now we have our image in here. So as your wish, if you want, you can insert it in one new tab. Right click in the pen slide. Here we have these options for slides, new slide. Here type for this, or here type new blank one. So after that, we not need anymore for this. Then you can move it in this slide, or you can Control X to cut it and Control V to paste in this slide. Use here resize and move the image as needed. So for example, you can press Control, then here we can resize it left and right in one time, and bottom top as well we can resize in one time. Use picture format options to add borders. So where is the picture format? We have here one another tab for this one, picture format. In picture format options, here we can add borders, shadows, and effects. How to add a borders and shadows? The first option here we have here different groups: adjust, pictures, accessibilities, arrange size. So first one, right now we are going to select one of the picture styles. If you want, for example, here one like borders, you can select this is the, or this is the style. We are going to select this style. Right now as well, our image has a little border here. For example, if you want to select here shadows, it is the picture border. About the picture border, right now we are going to change the color. Should be yellow or green as your wish. So it is a little amazing, this color. I think this one as well. After that, if you want to like shadow, you can select here picture effects. In picture effects, for example, you want to shadow, insert one shadow in your image, inner or outer. If you select outer, it is outer, it is inner, one shadow. If you change here the background, the shadow will be visible more. So right now, and effects, if you want to more effects, for example, here you can choose the glow, and here you can choose any effects. We have different options. Soft edge, you can select one of these, or glow here for this one, this color. More color, if you want, you can choose one of these more color. I want to choose this white color. It's about the picture format, and here is inserting and formatting images. Then if you need aligning and organizing slide elements, for this select multiple elements, text, image, shapes. Use align option in the picture format or shape format tab. For example, here we are going to Control C, Control V. For size, here we have right now two images. If you want, you can change here this image. For example, I want to change the border yellow. Right now, Control press, select the second shape. We have here the second shape. Here we can choose, for example, align option. So for align options, here picture format or shape format tab. Use, for example, use with when you choose the second or two shapes here, two pictures here, use the smart guide to align objects evenly. If you go to home tab, here we have then for here the paragraph option. So it is working in text. Right now we have here two options: aligning, organizing slide elements. So it means when you select two shapes together, right now we can, for example, resize both in one time. Press Control, we can resize both in one time. It is about the aligning and organizing slide elements. Okay, guys, and that's it for tutorial 2. Today, you learn how to apply layouts, choose themes, format text and images, and align elements to make your PowerPoint slides look professional. In the next tutorial, we will dive into PowerPoint animations and transitions, animate text and object, and create engaging motion effects to make your presentation more dynamic. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video, hopefully you like it, share with your friends.